The Semantica analytic platform, developed by Semantic Research, enables defense and intelligence analysts to rapidly identify patterns and relationships among data integrated from numerous sources. The following notional demonstration, developed by analysts at Praescient Analytics, demonstrates how naval intelligence analysts assigned to the Incheon Naval Sector Defense Command might utilize the Semantica platform to quickly provide tactical information regarding North Korean Army and naval activities to senior Navy leadership to enhance their situational awareness and drive intelligence-led decision-making. Recently, we received a report that North Korean naval forces have crossed the northern limit line west of Yeonpyeong Island and are antagonizing a fleet of South Korean crab fishing boats. Using the GIS view in Semantica, we can analyze this evolving situation. First, let's bring up the two KPN vessels that appeared in the report. As you can see, the vessels are already geocoded and appear as entities with coordinates on the map. From the network view, we can glean the related entities for each of these vessels. Immediately, we learn that these two vessels are old Shanghai II class patrol boats armed with Chinese-made 37mm guns. Additionally, our records indicate that both ships are based out of the Sagon-ni Naval Base, just north of this position. By right-clicking on the naval base entity, we can add it quickly to our GIS view for further analysis. Next, we want to learn more information about the naval organization to which these KPN patrol boats belong, so we'll create a custom vicinity search to look for any additional KPN bases affiliated with Sagon-ni. After expanding outward by 1 degree of separation, we find that the KPN patrol boats are consigned to the KPN's West Sea Fleet, headquartered at the Nampo Naval Base, approximately 118 kilometers due north. Now that we have more information about the aggressor ships and the structure of their organization, we need to assess what naval assets we can task to respond. First, we'll move all available naval assets to the network view. Here, we can quickly determine which vessels would be best suited to mitigate the threat. According to our most recent data, we have 6 vessels available, a mix of fast patrol boats and more heavily armed corvettes. Our 2 patrol boats and 1 heavily armed corvette are close to Yeonpyeong Island and should provide ample firepower to deter the KPN aggressors. Meanwhile, we receive a warning that the North Korean Army has announced a live fire zone along their western coast. As Yellow Sea issues fall within our AOR, we need to assess whether this zone has the potential to affect our naval response, putting our ships and North Korean citizens at risk. Based on an assessment of the capability and range of these weapons, we've drawn a map layer that estimates their range. By loading this new layer into our GIS view, it becomes clear that Yeonpyeong Island, our naval ships, and the fishing vessels are within range of North Korean artillery. Given the increasing risk posed to our naval forces and Korean citizens, we must report this situation up the chain of command for decision. First, however, we need to learn a little bit more about the order of battle for the North Korean land-based forces. By opening these artillery batteries in the network view, we can quickly review our existing holdings about the North Korean Army to learn more about the types of weapons used, the military units operating them, and the key Army leadership involved. With all of this information now in hand, we will create a report for our leadership. Semantica makes this very easy, allowing us to combine our analysis seamlessly into a PDF report that we may share up the chain of command to inform rapid tactical decision-making. Throughout the course of this investigation, you have seen how the Semantica analytic platform enables analysts to integrate data from disparate sources to produce actionable intelligence about North Korean provocation in the Yellow Sea for senior military leadership and decision-makers. Using this advanced software, information can reach decision-makers with enough alacrity to prevent a full-blown crisis. Praescient's mission-focused team of analysts and engineers stand ready to support your organization by delivering cutting-edge analytic tools, methodologies, training, and customization for your mission needs. For more information about semantic research or the services offered by Praescient, please visit our websites.